Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, today we are diving into an ancient beauty secret that has been used for centuries across South Asia, and it's probably sitting right in your kitchen. Yes, we are talking about mustard oil. You have heard it right. This golden oil not only spices up your meals but can work wonders for your skin. So, if you are looking for a natural way to get that youthful glow and keep those fine lines at bay, so stay tuned with us. First, let's talk about what mustard oil actually is. It's extracted from mustard seeds and it's rich in healthy fatty acids like omega 3, antioxidants, and vitamins like vitamin E. All are essential for healthy skin. This oil has been traditionally used in Ayurvedic treatments for everything from skin hydration to healing. So, we have broken down how mustard oil benefits your skin health into four key areas. So, let's dive in. Now, first, let's talk about how mustard oil gives you that glowing skin. If you have been struggling with dull, tired looking skin, mustard oil might just be your new best friend. The antioxidants in mustard oil help to rejuvenate skin cells, removing dead skin and brightening your complexion. It also boosts blood circulation, giving your skin that fresh, radiant look naturally. Just gently massage it on your face and neck at night and let the oil work its magic while you sleep. Second, it works for anti aging properties. Who doesn't want to slow down the signs of aging? Mustard oil is packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that fights off free radicals, the culprits behind premature aging. So, regular use of mustard oil can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. It also boosts collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful. So, massage a few drops on your skin, especially around areas prone to wrinkles like eyes and mouth. With consistent use, you will start seeing a smoother, tighter skin. Third, it hydrates and protects your skin barrier. So, if you have dry, flaky skin that can make you look older and dull your glow, mustard oil is deeply hydrating. It's an external natural moisturizer. It penetrates deeply into the skin, looking in moisture and helping to restore the skin's barrier. This is particularly beneficial during the colder months when the skin tends to dry out easily. Plus, mustard oil's antibacterial and antifungal properties keeps your skin clear and healthy by fighting off infections and breakouts. And fourth benefit is it reduces pigmentation and dark spots. Mustard oil also helps with pigmentation issues. The natural bleaching properties combined with vitamin E can help fade away dark spots and even out your skin tone. For those struggling with acne, scars, or sun damage, applying mustard oil regularly can lead to smoother, clearer skin over time. So, friends, we have seen a very natural, inexpensive, and time tested solution to get that radiant glow and turn back the clock on aging. So, it's basically available in your kitchen only. Whether you want your glowing skin, hydration, or to fight off those fine lines, so mustard oil gets you covered all. Try it out and let me know in the comment section how it works for you. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing health and beauty tips coming your way. So stay glowing, and I will see you in the next video.